Hello, my name is Justin Cena, and today I am going to present to you a project that planning engineers here with our water company are asking for, a tank inspection, automatic intelligent data processing AI app. Now I'm with the GIS department, and I have come up with the solution on how we can build this for them, and that's what I'll be showing with you today. We're looking at a tool that takes tank inspection reports, automatically extracts the needed data, and presents it back to the planning engineers to support intelligent decision making in regards to rehab investments, which impacts the rate case and our efficient spending of capital. Move myself out of the way here. Quite frankly, as it stands, tank rehab investment decisions are volatile. Um, they are manually read through, and the data is located by just digging through these reports and finding uh, data items to then copy into a spreadsheet. And I've actually come to find that every department has their own data health spreadsheet, which is not okay. We need a single source of truth for our tank health data. We can host this in our GIS architecture, um, and it just empowers our planning engineers to make the best decision possible in regards to tank rehab investments. Um, as you know, decisions like this, as they make these predictions for upcoming years, they impact the rate case. Um, and it's really important that they make the right decisions, and so we need to remove these opportunities for mistakes by this manual data extraction that we currently rely on, and 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 build and implement this tool that will allow for the necessary data to be manually extracted, organized into a database, and presented in a way that allows for understanding via graphs and charts, for grading to understand the health grades that each tank currently was given, and to rank the tanks with the most need, basically to prioritize. Now, the solution that I've come up with that we've developed together in tandem with the planning engineering, um, is this tank inspection report GIS AI application. It'll be a single source of truth for tank health data. Um, It will automatically extract the necessary data needed to make tank rehab investment decisions. Um, and it quite frankly clears up much of the time that we currently have our planning engineers just creating data. That's not what their time should be spent on. Their time should be focused on the more challenging tasks of assessing what the data is telling us, what the inspections are reporting, um, and not on data organization. Now, just a quick overview of the workflow on how this app would work. This would look like any other GIS application that you're familiar with. The engineer will upload the inspection report to the app via a custom widget, just a file uploader. And then on the back end, we will have programmed in uh, OLAMA LLM AI IDP, Intelligent Data Processing Extraction Process, which will organize the data into a database and then send it back into the app to be displayed as charts and graphs, rankings, um, digestible reviews of data. Not just reviewing tables, trying to make sense of tabular information, but being able to actually see the information categorized and prioritized in a way that supports the investment decisions. The process shouldn't be a scavenger hunt. Like I said, currently our engineers are spending time digging through these reports, trying to find the block where they mention the specific parameter. Um, the parameters don't change, but the reports do, and that is the challenge. But with this program, we can remove that challenge by using the powers of an AI process like IDP to extract that data and make sure that it claims where exactly it found it so that we can verify and organize it for our engineers. Um, Ultimately, what we're doing here is automating the monotonous. I've detailed some deadlines here for this work, and I'm asking for 120 hours to complete this project. Um, I will not require any additional equipment or licensing. The entire tech stack will be open source, and I encourage you to ask me questions or provide me with feedback because I truly believe that this project is can save so much time. I mean, the planning engineers came to me asking, "Can you please come up with a solution for this? Because we're spending so much time on just data extraction when we could be spending more time on comparison analysis and um, brainstorming on the most efficient spending." All right. Thank you for your time.